Hi, today I have a KESO lock. It's a pretty nice lock. I do not have a key, but this lock has I think 13 pins in total. So I don't know if you can see, but there are pins from the left, from the right, and from the top. So pretty interesting lock, pretty interesting pick. I will put it like this, because for me it's easier to pick the bottom pins like this. A lot of pins, a lot of them are, I think, serrated at spool-like, and it's a pretty wild pick in my opinion. I'm always starting with the bottom ones. They're binding first, so I will try to set it. Click from pin 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, I think, or they're already set. So I think I set all the bottom pins, and I will start with the left and right. I'll try to pick it left and right, depends how they're binding. So I think I set pin number 1 from the left, hitting the camera. Let me try to, so let's pick, I pick number 2 from the right now. Now number 3 from the left is binding or no, feel set. Number 4 from the left is binding, and I think I set it with some counter rotation. I'm in some deep fall set or some fall set, maybe it's not that deep, but I think now pin 4, I think I set pin 4, now I think pin 5, but I need a deeper. Let me check again. 5, counter rotation, and I think I set pin number 5. Now it's binding. I think pin 3. I think I set from the right, and pin number 3 from the left or feels set. Let me check. I think pin 1 dropped back from the left side. Let me try to set them. No, he's set. He just popped out. So let's find some pin that want to be picked with a counter rotation. Oh, pin 1 from the right, and we're open. It was fast. I did not expect this fast, to pick this fast, but I doesn't matter. I pick it on camera, so yeah, I'm pretty happy. Oh, very nice pins, different ones. Here's the core. Pretty nice lock. Here's the body. All the 5, 4 and 4 pins. So let me rearrange it a little bit and I will show you the pins. Standards rated pin, key pin, and standard. This is the flat one, so sitting flush with a core, with a key, I think. The middle row, this is interesting. It's overset trap, so I don't know if you can see, it's a hollow one, and the driver, it's like a key pin. It's rated, I don't know if you can see, it's rated like key pin, so it's a definitely overset trap. Very nice. The second one is standard key pin, and of course all the drivers are serrated. Let me rearrange. The third one is a flash one, standard, and the fourth one is standard. From the top, standard, and standard. Ooh, so that's KESO lock. Pick and somehow got it. So have a nice day, guys, have a nice picking, and bye bye.